Today on Derek Does, we're doing these. Hi, welcome back to another Derek Does. I'm Derek, and if you're new here, please check out all my other cool videos. I know there's something you're going to want to see and watch and maybe learn a little bit. Today, I have something really cool. Something, again, I was thrifting and I always check out the boots and the shoes and stuff. You know, I always try to see what I can find. And I saw a pair of boots there that just popped. And it's these. And I was like, oh my gosh, what are those? I didn't know what these were at first. And I looked, I go, those look a lot like whites. You know, like the white with the high arch and everything. I did a video on my semi-dress. And I was looking at them, well, they're not whites. I couldn't see a maker on them. But these are like so heavy duty. And I'll show you, we'll go close-ups on these in a little bit. But these are from Nick's Custom Boots, also in Spokane, in that area. And Nick has a fascinating story, the history of Nick's and Nick's boots. But this is a pair of their Nick boots. I believe these are called the Station Boot. They have a zipper attachment. It was like a accessory that you could get from Nick's. They put it on there. So you could either go lace up or you could put the zipper on there for in and out ease. These are for firefighters, particularly the firefighters that, you know, are the outdoor mountain firefighters, that sort of thing. These are, again, Nick's. They're just fantastic boots. I was reading up on them. The hide is used, the same hide is used on both boots, so your boots will always match, which is a nice little thing they do. If you're a fan of whites or a fan of Westco, you would be a fan of Nick's. Nick's is the history of it. He was from Moscow, and at the World War II got drafted, got captured, eventually was working in Germany, and then at the end of the war found a Polish wife, and then they lived in Germany for a while, and then eventually moved to the US with visas, worked their way out west, and he eventually worked for whites, which is why you can see these boots and you think, well, that really looks like a white, but it's actually a Nick. And in 1964, he left whites and started his own boot company called Nick's. And I think in the 80s it was bought out by some other gentleman, but he could still work there. But that's where the name came from. That's where Nick's Boots, it's actually Nikolai, but it's Nick's Boots, and it says Nick's Handmade, Contender, Spokane, Washington. And I'll show you close-ups of these in a little bit. So they're really great. This is a pair, size 11E. I'm an 11C to D. So they're a little wide, but with a really thick sock I could wear them. But these things are hefty. They're 3.5 pounds each, I believe. 3.5 pounds each. They're really heavy-duty boots. So what I'll do is I'll put them on and I'll show you what they look like, and then we'll do some close-ups, and you can see all the great features of these boots. And if you want a heavy-duty pair of boots that is going to last you pretty much your entire life, Nick's is a great option. Here they are on with your pants down, as you can see. So they look like a normal boot. They're actually, if you've ever had whites, these will be instant the same thing. They feel the same on the arch. The weight's about the same. And these, I'll pull those up so you can see. That's what they look like. Now they look like they're not tied because they aren't tied, but that's just, they have rawhide laces along here, and then this really nice heavy-duty zipper. But they look great on. I mean, they're heavy-duty, no doubt about that, but... And really, once you wear them, they're not that heavy as you walk. You get used to it. Again, these are 11E, and so they're a little... I have room inside these things that they're not form-fitted. I'd be more of an 11C or D, probably. They're nice boots, though. All right, here they are, much better view of them. These things are beasts. I love them. Super heavy duty. But here you can really see that they just have that white look to them, don't they, as it comes up. Double stitched. These are, again, the fire boots, and I believe they're certified for firework also. Not fireworks, but fire fighting. And I'll show you a couple of the features of that. And here you can see the NICS handmade contender. And Spokane, Washington. That's stamped. It's very light, so I couldn't see it right away when I was looking at these. Really heavy duty zippers, and it's just a YKK. But they're laced through the regular laces, but also through this adapter. And they have nice thick pull-ups here. I mean, it's your standard boot for the most part. They're just heavy duty. Now inside, you can see, I think this is how it becomes a firefighting boot, is that the tongue is solid. See, it's not a loose tongue. It's sewed on both sides, so any embers wouldn't get into your foot like a normal tongue, because, you know, tongues always move. A firefighter boot would have a tongue that's sewn, so when you slide into it, it's probably a little extra leather there, but then you're more safety. I'm not going to get burnt. Leather bottoms on them. It's just nice. You can see how thick this leather is. I mean, obviously this is doubled here, but it's a thick leather that can really take some abuse. Now, here is where the size was, right there. So if you ever find a pair and you're trying to find this information, that's where it is. It's really faintly stamped. And so it's just that, like, there's no model of the boot or anything like that. I just got online and looked up the model of this boot, and this is what it was. Now on the soles, these things are, again, massive, huge Vibram, and then they're even Phillips screwed on, so there's absolutely no chance of these coming apart. And of course, the nice thing about when you buy a pair of boots like this is you can get them resold over and over and over again. As long as your leather tops are good, you can get them resold, and even if the leather tops are bad, you can get that, you know, you get a replacement here, a replacement here. They can replace all that stuff for you, or any competent boot place can do that for you that deals in these heavy-duty boots. They're really nice and nicely broken into. I probably won't keep these just because they are a little big on me. I'm not an E. I need a slightly smaller boot. Not that I'm ever going to find a pair of these again, but these are really nice. I know White's has a smoke jumper, which is similar to this, but this is the NICS version, and they're really nice. Oh, and these run, I think, about $630 if you were to order them, and then they're custom made, and I think they're a few months out in making these for you. So if you wanted a pair in your size, go to NICS website, order them. You probably do a tracing of your foot and things like that. I've done that with Whites and with Westco, and then they make the boots strictly to you. So if you like this boot, and I'm sure you do, get a pair. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode on these amazing NICS boots. If this video doesn't get you to want to buy a pair, I don't know what is. But they're great boots. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a little bit about NICS. I know I did a little bit too, because I had heard of them just through over the years of seeing NICS boots, but I didn't really dive into NICS boots. And these might be my next boots if not this particular pair, but I might get another pair. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But they're really cool boots. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and feel free to subscribe, because I'm always having new videos of new cool stuff that I'm finding or personally have just to show you. So Hope you enjoyed it. I just hit 7,000 subscribers, so that's like crazy for me. So thank you for that. I appreciate that a ton, and I hope you enjoy all the videos, or at least most of them. There's always something that you probably would enjoy, and there'll be new ones coming out too. I'll be trying to crank these out at least once a week. So hope you enjoyed this on the Nick Boots, and I will see you on the next Derek Does. Thanks for watching.